Want to replace the basket wheel of your dishwasher? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new basket wheel and a flathead screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the basket. Open the dishwasher and take out the basket. Step 2. Detach the broken basket wheel. You can loosen the basket wheel using a flathead screwdriver. Step 3. Insert the new basket wheel. Now place the new basket wheel in place of the old one. Make sure it is properly fitted and clicks into place. Step 4. Place the basket back. Place the basket back into the dishwasher and close the door. You have replaced the basket wheel and the dishwasher is ready to use again.